I'm going to make the cream cheese beef roll. I have about 6 slices of New York steak. You cut it really thin slice, and also you can buy it from Costco. They already cut it for you. They really thin slice, a package like that. So you can go any Costco, they have it. And I have some kimchi here, and I have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of called the Korean barbecue sauce, and some black pepper. That's all you need today. So I'm going to show you how to roll that up first. So I'm going to put soy sauce in it, a tablespoon of soy sauce in it. And I'm going to put it like that. Then I put some cream cheese in it. Okay, I'm going to put cream cheese in it. Then then I roll it up. Just like that. Okay, and put it on the side. I'm going to do another one. Okay, this is all done. Okay, the wok is hot right now, so I'm going to put some oil in it. Okay, that looks good. So I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper in it. Then I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of the Korean barbecue sauce in it. Okay, that looks good, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, that's what I make today, kimchi beef roll.